Hi everyone, I'm Bilal and you're watching Trendsetters Academy. So today in this lecture I will tell you about hosting, what really the hosting is and how Firebase is using this hosting. So what really is hosting is what you know about the hosting. When you're creating some sort of web and you want to upload it and you want to deploy on some server, then you want to handle it, you want to upload the things there on your website. So how you do these things? So you that thing really this thing is called hosting. So you are hosting your web. So how this thing is working here and how these things are going on, let's see in hosting what really the things are going on. So first thing here is don't forget to subscribe, and I really need your subscription. Your subscription needs the most, and then I can move further about the things and I will create further things. If your feedback is not clear, then how I do the next things. Okay, so let's come back towards the lecture and start what really the hosting is. So here is the video, you can watch this, and this shows the clear view about the hosting. What really the hosting is, it defines the things. So here we will see about its documentation and see what really this thing is and how we use this hosting as a web or whatever the Android or iOS, whatever application we are developing, and how we do these things. So Firebase hosting provides fast and secure static hosting for your web app. So you are creating some sort of static pages, so you are just uploading it and it just handle these pages and just control it. That's really awesome. Firebase hosting is production grade web content hosting for developers. Okay, so it is for us, like we are hosting, the developers host the webs. With hosting, you can quickly and easily deploy web apps and static contents to a global content delivery network (CDN) with a single command. So that's so awesome. If you want to deploy, just put a single command and just go on with the thing, and that's really so easy for this. What really the key capabilities here? The first thing is server over a secure connection. So the first thing is it's served over a secure connection. That's really important about everything. Security is the main thing about when you are going in public and when you're uploading the thing and just show it to the whole world. The security is the most important thing. But really the description here is the modern web is a secured zero configuration SSL is built to Firebase hosting, so content is always delivered securely. Fast content delivery. So how it shows fast content delivery? Each file you upload in cached is cached on SSDs at CDN edges around the world. Okay, no matter where your user are, the content is delivered fast. That's so good. Rapid development. Using the Firebase CLI, you can get your app up and running in seconds. Command line tools make it easy to add deployment targets into your build process. That's really so cool about this thing. Like you are rapid developing it and you are delivering your content in a real fast way. That's so awesome. And what really the other thing is, you are getting your connection secure. What other thing you really want? Okay, so what the thing here is one click rollbacks. For it say in its description, it says quick developments are great, yeah, but being able to undo mistakes is even better. Firebase hosting provides full versioning and release management with one-click rollbacks. We're fine with this thing. How does it work? Let's see how the hosting is working. Firebase hosting is built for the modern web developers. Okay, so are you really modern? If you're really modern, then just go on with the things. It's like in advanced development technology. So this hosting, this web hosting, this Firebase hosting is in beta formation. I think it might be in beta formation. No, sorry for this, it's not in beta. Like it's released form and it's working here, and millions of websites are using Firebase. Okay, so let's see how this thing is working. Firebase hosting is built for modern web developers. Static sites are more powerful than even with the rise of front-end JavaScript framework like Angular and static generator tool like Jekyll. Okay, whether you are deploying a simple app, landing page, or a complex progressive web app, hosting you the infrastructure features and tooling tailored to deploying and managing static websites. Okay, so what really this first part tells us about the thing is Firebase hosting basically for the web developers. Okay, right, that's awesome. It's only for the web developers. Okay, cool. And the other thing is it handles the static pages. Okay, static sites. It's like it uploaded the static sites there and just release on what technology you are using. It might be JavaScript, it might be an Angular, it might be whatever. Like here is Jekyll. Jekyll is some sort of tool like Angular, and you can use this thing whatever the thing is here there. It just handles the static pages and just go on with this thing. Simple app, landing page, or complex progressive web app hosting gives you the infrastructure features and tooling tailored to deploying and managing static websites. So this is about the managing of static websites. Okay, so what will the next thing is hosting gives you project a subdomain on the firebaseapp.com domain. Okay, if you really need a domain, so it gives you a domain. Yeah, what will the thing is when you go on website on Google, when you say that I really need some sort of domain, then they are just you have to pay them. You have to pay them for this thing, for getting domain. What really here is this thing is giving you a free domain. Wow, that's so cool. Using the Firebase CLI, you can deploy files from the local directories on your computer to your hosting server. Files are served over a SSL connection from the closest edge server on our global CDN. In addition to static content hosting, Firebase hosting offers lightweight configuration option for you to be able to build sophisticated progressive web apps. You can easily rewrite URLs for client-side routing or set up custom headers. Once you are ready to take a site to production, you can connect your own domain name to Firebase hosting. We automatically provision an SSL certificate for your domain, so all your content is served securely. So everything is cleared here. Like if you are creating some sort of application, if you are creating some sort of web app, and what you really do, you want to upload it and you want to show them to the whole world. How you can do this? You really need some sort of server. So Firebase is providing this thing, and you need to host your web app. So how you do this? You just upload it on Firebase, and you have to get its domain as a subdomain and then use its CLI. It just creates some sort of SSL certificate, and it will provide you some sort of certificate. And what the other things are going there, we will see the things there, how these things are implementing and how these things are working. Here is the whole process available. At first you have to install the Firebase CLI, then set up the project directory, then deploy your site there, and then there are some other next steps. We will see these steps in our next video, and I hope you understand these things. This is quite just a start about the thing, about theory, about whole theory about each and everything. Later on in my next lectures, surely when these things are all cleared, what really these things are like, I just cleared the previous things, and right now hosting and few other lectures about cloud storage, real-time database, and crash analysis, performing monitoring, test lab, and what other things, how you grow your business there, and how you improve your app quality. So when all these things are clear, then we move toward our next thing. The real next thing is our coding. So I really need your subscribers, so please subscribe, and share with other people who really want to learn the things. I hope you understand the things, and if you have any issue, any query about the thing, just please comment and please tell me what really the things are going there. And if you are stuck in some situation, please tell me. I'm here. Nice day. Have a nice day. Bye bye.